Hey, what's up everybody? We're out here today doing some spring cleanups. We're getting some mulch done, some gutters done. We'll be also throwing some pine straw down on the other side of the house. We would be mowing and picking up the rest of these leaves and getting rid of this thatching, but unfortunately it's too wet. It's been raining for the past couple days. So let me show you around, see what we're doing today. We got these flower beds. There's some leaves piled up from the winter. We're gonna trim the bushes, shape them up, get the weeds out of there, and then mulch everything. So you can see it's not too bad. Let's get this crepe myrtle right here. We sodded this last spring and fixed some erosion that was going on with this retaining wall right here. And it's a year later and it's still held up. We put this zoysia on the hill, didn't get enough sunlight. And then this was sinking. You can see we resodded all this. Made a little pine straw bed up here, which we're gonna go ahead and remulch today with some new pine needles. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get to it. So that's it with the trimming. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Here's Tim getting some leaves up. What you got going on over here, Timmy?
Oh, finally picking us up. Can't use the blower because the ground's so soft and I almost fell and hit that little wall right there. Try to do it the old school way. But then it sucks because we don't have a walker because it's so wet, so everything's by hand, old pioneer days.
Yeah, today's the old pioneer days, like Tim said, definitely. No walker mower today. We're doing it old school, boys.
The Lord in the back. That's what you call working man gloves right here.
Golly. Yeah, it looks wet. Are they bad?
Sorry, I'm out of it. Yeah, they're pretty stuck over here. Over there wasn't too bad. They're all dry too. This was just crazy.
Was it thick? Yeah. Mud?
Well, not much mud, just thick leaves. Just wet.
Pretty much got the front cleaned up.
Busy.
The wind's blowing so bad, so.
Well, that rain started hitting again.
Yeah, I felt that. I got the front pretty much cleaned up. Just got to rake back these piles. Santi.
Santi-san.
Santi-san.
Yeah. That's good.
Was that back gate unlocked? No? She was supposed to come and unlock it. This is always convenient. Well, what we could do is just throw it over the other side where the retaining wall is. We could get over there. So, we just got done cleaning up the gutters, cleaning out the beds. We're ready to install this brand new painted black mulch. And we're gonna throw that down, get this pine straw down over there on that fence line, that flower bed we built last spring. And we'll be checking out of here on to the next one.
up, guys? Tim just got finished here with all the mulch, all the gutters. That big strip of pine straw looks very good, looks clean. Everything is in order for the spring.